Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super cute and heartwarming magic snowball touch animations where your photo touches a snowball and the snowball will transform into a snowman. It's adorable, festive, and really fun to make. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use it on the websites or the mobile app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give free daily credit so you can generate animations for free without spending anything. And then next, just go to template section. This one, just go to template and then just go to search bar and then just type or search unidentified. Unidentified flying snowman like this and then just search it. This template or this effect, just tap on it. This template that will give you the magical snowball transformations effect. And then next just tap on use template. And then next just upload the photo that you want to use. Example like this, and then just tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it. And then just go back. And then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, like this. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. PixVerse automatically process the animation for a few moments like this. Just look at this, your photo touches the snowball and it instantly becomes a snowman like this. It even has it added a new character to your photo like this. The animations I think looks smooth and cute. It's perfect for holiday pose. And okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.